All right, hello class. It's Miss Williams. Of course you know it's me. All right, today we're on math lesson 132. I had to move my camera back a little bit so you could see everything that's going on behind me. All right, so go ahead and get your math paper out, lesson 132, and then I need you to get your ruler out. Okay, so we're going to use your ruler today for this math paper. So get those things out and then just set them to the side and pay attention. Woo, back here. And we're going to review. Here we go. First thing that we are going to review are the days of the week. Who can tell me how many days are in a week? 7. That's the correct answer, 7. So let's review our days of the week. Sing along with me, please, because as you know, Miss Williams does not like to sing solos. But unfortunately, I'm going to have to today. Here we go. Ready? I'll just pretend that you're singing with me. And begin. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That was excellent singing. Good job, everyone. Now, let's move on to our months of the year. So remember, there are 7 days in a week. And how many months are in a year? 12! That's correct. There are 12 months in a year. So once again, sing along with me at home. Even though you're not here physically, just let's pretend. I'm going to pretend that you are here singing with me. Ready? And begin. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August and September, October, November, and December. 12 months in a year. Sorry, I don't think you could see December down there. So once again, there are 12 months in a year from January to December. Now let's move on to our calendar. And move my camera a little bit here. There we go. All right, so we are in the month of March. The month of March. And today is Wednesday, March 25th. Wednesday, March 25th. Now, I know a lot of you have birthdays in the month of March. I'm so sorry that we won't be able to sing happy birthday to you, but happy birthday, my friends who have birthdays in the month of March. Miss Williams loves you. All right. So today is Wednesday, March 25th. Now, we're going to use a calendar a little bit in our math paper later. So once again, this is our month. Today is March. We're in the month of March, but today is Wednesday. That's our day of the week. Wednesday, March 25th. And our year that we are in is 2020. Wow. All right. Very good. Good review. Now, I have some cards here, and I have written some different titles on them. So we have hundreds, we have ones, and we have tens. Now, for place value, which one comes first? The hundreds place, the ones place, or the tens place? Remember, we would start on the right side. So that would be the ones place. So the ones place would come first, and then after the ones place would come the tens place, and then the hundreds place. So it starts at the ones, and then it goes to the tens place, and then to the hundreds place. So that's a little bit review of place value. Now after the hundreds place, it goes to the thousands place, and then it goes to the 10,000s place, which you don't need to worry about that right now. Right now we're just focusing on the ones place, the tens place, and then the hundreds place. Say it with me. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Say it again. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Don't forget that. That's place value. All right, go ahead and get your math worksheet out right now. And let's look at the front of the math worksheet here. turn my camera again. There we go. All right, so I'm going to come a little closer to you. Section 1, you're going to set the minute hand. They want you to draw the minute hand onto your clock, okay? And then section 2, you're going to circle the digit in the hundreds place. So remember, count over ones place, tens place, and then hundreds place. So whatever number is in the hundreds place, you're going to circle just that one number. So the first number they have on the little water pots there is 237 on that green water pot, 237. So if you look at the 7 is in the ones place, the 3 is in the tens place, and the 2 is in the hundreds place. So you would circle the 2. And then you would do the same thing for the other numbers. You would find the number that's in the hundreds place and circle that number. Now, section 3, you're counting backwards by ones. Okay, so it starts at 50, 49, 48, what would come next? 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, and so on and so forth. So you're counting backwards. All right, if you need to get your number chart out to help you, go ahead and do that. But make sure you count backwards. Don't count forwards, count backwards. All right, and then section 4, this is kind of where the calendar comes into play. You have just a little bit of the calendar, not all of it, just they show you the days of the week, then they have the numbers filled in. They want you to circle Sunday's date. So on that calendar, you're going to look for Sunday, the day that says Sunday. And you're going to go down to that first number that you see below Sunday, which in this case is a 7. So you would circle that 7 because that is the first Sunday in that month. Now let's turn over to the back side of our paper. You see 2 tulips. Those are tulips there at the top of your paper. During the springtime, tulips are very popular. Okay, so those are tulips, and they want you to measure the length of the tulips. So the top tulip, the yellow tulip, it has the CM next to that box there where you write the number. CM, does anyone know what that stands for? It stands for centimeters. Centimeters. So you're going to get your ruler out and you're going to make sure, this is not the centimeter side here, you're going to flip it over to the centimeter side and start at the 1, the beginning of the ruler there. And you're going to measure that yellow tulip by the centimeter side. And then the purple tulip on the bottom, it says IN period. That stands for inch. So you're going to flip your ruler back over to the inch side and measure by inches, okay? So the top 1 centimeter, bottom is inches. Section 2 on the back, you're marking the number under the correct sign. So you see those 2 numbers, you have to compare the numbers. And remember, Mr. Dinosaur likes to eat the bigger number. So make sure the bigger part is pointing toward the bigger number, okay? And then let's do section 2. This is our story problem. Tanya and Tina each took their lunch to school every school day. Last week, how many lunches did their mother make? Okay? So if they take a lunch to school every day, what days do we have school? We have school on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So how many days is that? That's 5 days. So you're going to write 5 in the first box, and then the next number, if they take 1 lunch to school every 5 days for during the week for school, that's 5 lunches. So that would be your second number. So it would be 5 and 5. How many lunches did their mother make? So are we adding or are we subtracting? We are adding. So 5 plus 5. All right, and then underneath that you see 2 dimes and a quarter. What they want you to do is they want you to add the coins up. and then write the totals in the box, and then you need to add those two totals together, which I have that on the board here, so we'll go ahead and do that together. So we have 2 dimes. How much is a dime worth? A dime is worth 10 cents. So 10, 20. So that is my first number, 20. And then I have 1 quarter. How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. That's correct. So I'm going to write 25. Now I'm going to take 20 and 25 and add them together. So we'll start on the right side. 0 plus 5 is 5. And then 2 plus 2 is 4. So my answer is 45 cents. Okay? And then let's look at the bottom section. Listen carefully. I'm going to give you your problems for the section 4 on the bottom. Go to box A. The problem is 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8. Box B, 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7. Box C, 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4. Box D, 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. Box E, 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. And box F, 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3. Okay, so if you need those repeated over, just rewind the video and then you can go back and figure out which ones you missed. All right, so that concludes lesson 132. Bye.